What's going on everybody, my name is Harris and today's video is all about how you can easily transfer your WhatsApp data from iOS to any device with just one click. And this is a reply of my last video where I show you guys a brief tutorial about how you can easily transfer, not easily, but how you can transfer your WhatsApp data from iOS to any Android devices. However, it included a lot of steps and it was a lot time consuming. Also, it really required you to have professional kind of skills. However, this is a tutorial in which you can easily transfer your WhatsApp data to any device with just a single click. If you are one of those guys who own a 256GB iPhone X and has a lot of data and doesn't really want to back up everything on their devices and just want to back up the WhatsApp, this guide is actually for you. In the first part of this video, I will be showing you guys how you can easily back up the data to your PC or a Mac. And in the second part, I will be showing you guys how you can transfer it just by connecting both devices and hitting that single button. So let's start with how you can easily back up this on PC. First of all, you need to connect your iOS devices over here. After you have connected, as you can see right over there, you must make sure if you are running on Windows that you have iTunes installed, because of which you have drivers from where the PC can easily communicate with your iOS device. After you have connected, you can easily press go, open up the dr.fone application, and from there you have to click restore social app, and underneath that you can easily see that there is an option from where you can easily back up WhatsApp messages. You need to hit that. After hitting, there is an option for you to just hit once and the backup will start. And as you can see right here, the backup has been started, and after some time, according to the size of your WhatsApp data, it will back up every single message and media, photo or video, every single thing on your PC, from where you can easily restore it afterwards. Second part of this video is about how you can transfer from one device to another. So as you can see right over here, I am transferring my WhatsApp data from my iOS device to my Android Google Pixel, and here let's get started. First of all, open up the dr.fone application on your PC or after opening it up, go ahead and get to restore social app. And now you have to first connect your iOS device and then connect your Google Pixel. Make sure to have Android drivers installed if you are running your Mac. After that, you need to hit this button right over here which says transfer WhatsApp data from one device to another. After you have hit that, now I am migrating my data from iOS to Android, so I will select my iOS device as a donor phone and my Android device as the destination phone. After I have connected both of them, the software will read them, and as you can see that the software has recognized both of my phones, I can easily tap transfer. After hitting the transfer button, it will continue to back up my device. After the backup has been completed, it will transfer every single and convert them into Android viewable media file. After that it has converted it, it will transfer that file to my Google Pixel, from where it will ask me to input my Gmail that is associated with the device itself. So I'm typing my associated Gmail just because it will upload that backup to the Google Drive so my phone can read it whenever I am reconfiguring the WhatsApp to my destination device. After everything has been transferred, as you can see right now, I have to input my email on my phone, update the WhatsApp to the latest version, and now register my mobile number once again to see if the backup file is found. If followed correctly, you will also get this pop-up right over here which says that a backup has been found on your device. You would really like to restore it on your phone, and we would definitely hit restore button, and it might take some time to restore our WhatsApp data. And as you can see right over here, it does work pretty damn well. Every single message is right over here. It is shockingly well that a single click can easily transfer your WhatsApp data. And being a tech YouTuber, I usually change phones a lot, and this is one of the best applications that will ever help you. For me, my bottleneck to change a device is my WhatsApp data, and this program is so helpful, at least for me, that I can easily transfer my WhatsApp data with a single click of a button. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button for more videos like this. I know a lot of you guys haven't understand the way I explained previously, so I am here with a new tutorial for those of you who really doesn't know about computer that much. Peace.